Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a folded mesh building. Okay, first of all we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We can set the rectangle around, maybe we can set it around 10 meter or 10,000 millimeter. So then we can drag to the back side around 20 meter. Okay, and after that we can push it to the upper position, it's around 3 meter. Okay, and then we can make it group. Okay, and after that we can make the second floor of the wall over there. We can set the rotated rectangle, and then we can and then we can place on it. Okay, we can set the width and width around 14 meter. Okay, and it's done, and then we can push it up. We can push it up around 3.5 meter. Okay, and after that we can make it group. So then we can make the upper level or third level of this all the building with this shape. We can use a rectangle, and then we can drag to the front position, maybe just around this place. Okay, so we can see what is. Then we can push it up. We can push it up around 4 meter. It's just approximately. Okay, and then we can just make it group. And after that we can make the envelopes of this level. Anyway, we can make the folded envelope. First of all we have to make the rectangle again over there. I'm sorry, we have to make we have to make the material of it. We have to set the material of it. We can set the white material. Anyway, with this we can semi-gray material. We can assign to all of material, and then we can push it to the back. Anyway, we can push it to the back, and we can make the thickness of this wall. Anyway, we can set the maybe we can set the 150 millimeter, and then push it down just like this. Okay, and then we can push it until the limit, so it will be something like this. Okay, and then we can make the thickness of this floor. Anyway, we can make the thickness of this floor by using a line. We can select this line and select move and press control of it, and we can place on this. So and then we can select the line, and then we can move it until the bottom position. We can push it until the place as we want. Anyway, okay, so then we can make the slab again with a rectangle. So and then we can push it up. So and then we can select this line, then we can move, and then we can place on here. Okay, and after that we can make group. Anyway, then we can make the another variation of it. We can make the wall over there, then we can push it to the front around it, and we can make it group, and then we can move this line to the back position. Okay, maybe we can make it just like this. We can cut for this plane until the limit. Okay, just like this, so it will be hanging at the lever. Then we can place the canopy over there, then we can set it, and also we can push it up until with the same level of the floor. Anyway, then we can make group, and then we can select this line. Anyway, we can select this line, and then we can move the line to the front position until touch the sloping line over there. You can see it. Okay, and after that we can also fix the connection between the vertical and horizontal slab over there. We can make the sharpness of it. We can select it, and we can move this this side anyway. We can move this side until it's become a grid connection between the vertical and horizontal slab anyway. Okay, and after that we can also adjust this material. Okay, we can also adjust this object. We can also make the wall are from to the front, to the little bit front, and then we can adjust it to the little bit front, same as the vertical wall anyway. So it will be like this. Okay, and after that we can also make the another variation of this ground floor. We can make the thickness of the floor. We can select this line, and then we can select and move and press 150. Okay, and then we can select this line, and then we can move to the right, and then we can press 150 millimeter. So, and then we can move it until the bottom position, maybe just like this. For the slab thickness and beam construction, then we can set the position of it. Okay, and after that we can also make the slab in here. We can also fix it about the extension anyway. Then we can push it down just like this, so that we can move the little line over there. So then we can make it group, and then we can make the wall anyway. We can make the wall just like this and bring it to the back, and then we can move it. We can move it maybe approximately about 4 meter or many more. Okay, we can just make group, and then we can select this rectangle. We can type 150 millimeter, and then we can push it down. Again, we can make group. So then we can fix this wall anyway. So, and then we can make the another wall over there, and we can push it down, and then we can make group. So then we can okay, and then we can adjust it anyway. Okay, and then we can make it group anyway. Then we can make the back side of the wall, and we can push it to the little bit front and make group anyway. Okay, and then we can make it to be more go forward than before. So then we can make the rectangle here to make glasses. So then we can adjust the arrangement of the wall with the select this line, and then we can select move and place on it, and then we can type 9/ and enter. Okay, so then we can make the same glass panel on the bottom position, and we can scale it anyway. And also we can just move to the another position as we want anyway, just like this. And okay, and just like this. And anyway, we can set the glass material with the glass clear over there, and then we can also make the we can make the grid. We can make a contour, and we can set the grid spacing with grid spacing around 3000. Okay, and then we can set it. Okay, and then maybe we can move it just a little bit to be here, or maybe we can just rotate it until 90. And then we can move. So then we can explode it, and also we can smooth it with the radius, maybe with the radius just for okay, 10 meter. And sorry, Okay, we can set the smooth, and we can set the radius about 10 meter. Then we can select the surface as we want anyway to make the contour. We can figure out about this building are on the contour line anyway, so we can imagine it as well anyway. Okay, we can try it again. Okay, so maybe just like this, and then we can set the grass material on landscaping, and we can set this. Okay, then we can make group anyway, so then we can make group again, then we can place on it, and we can push it until close the finish line anyway. So, and after that we can also make the component. We can make the component anyway with the component, and we can make the tree. We can make a tree over there. So we can adjust the level of the tree, so then we can adjust the material of it. We can set the color of the material and transparency at all. Okay, so then we can select the opacity. Okay, then we can move it and press Ctrl to duplicate it all. Okay, it's just like this, or maybe we can set the, maybe we can use or set the people placement over there. We can place the people right here. We can place the people on this inside of this building. Okay, and anyway we can set the shadow of it, and we can also set the shadow position or shadow rotation anyway. Okay, maybe it's just like this. And okay, I think we can set the glass color anyway. Maybe we can set the glass color to make it more representative. I think it's to yes, maybe just like this anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.